Wow, Shad.
Someone step on that, man.
Tamer, your R revives someone when he dies. You put it on him, he dies, he gets revived.
Oh my
You put
god.
Oh, okay.
And
Wait,
then if you
what
put it
happens
on
if he's
someone-
already dead?
If he's already dead, he doesn't do shit. He's already dead.
You guys let him push, let him push, let him push, let him push.
Yeah, let them push Tamer. Tamer, this inhib might come back though. This might come back.
I'm hoping it doesn't. How about you guys do it fast?
Hassan, how long till it comes back? The inhib?
No, I
How
think it's
long?
once. You just destroyed it? Oh,
All out?
Oh no no no.
no. Wait, what?
Suck this dick.
No, Tamer!
A bar.
LoL is sad.
お前はもう死んでいる。何
Well, that guy saved it!
No!
Damn, man, how much damage?
Okay, Hassan, I don't know who was supposed to get that kill. But it just...
At least I survived. That's the only thing I ask in life.
2 seconds later.
Oh!
Well, it's too much to ask for.
But
Bye bye, ears. I love you, man.
Like, oh my god, you're so loud.
Horned behavior everywhere.
I will massage my ears.
I want corrupting pot. What do you want?
You're never gonna master Salas like this.
I need corrupting pot.
What?
What do you mean?
Hamid, no, Hamid. Look. How
Hell.
corrupt-
Talal, help your jungler. Talal, what are you doing?
Sorry, you have.
Come here, son. Come here. Help me out with this.
No, Tamer, you're dead.
Someone got me. Well, I don't have my Q. Well, I don't have my Q.
Please, Tamer.
Troll,
Oh, no.
leave me alone.
That
Nice, I wasted that. I was like,
Thank you.
baby, why you do this to me? Huh? Why? Like, I'm just waiting for you right here. Why you do that?
Life. Oh, you just lost the 1v1 fight. Wow.
I never 1v1'd him.
You did, though.
No, I ran away. Did not 1v1 him.
You're so shit.
You're so shit, Hassan. You're so shit, Hassan. You're so shit.
I got damage. Let's see the damage cards.
One hour standing still.
C. Okay, C. Everyone press C.
Wifey sad. Wifey.
Fucking annoying.
Why do you have to ping? Why? Please, Graves. And put it hard enough.
Or two. Okay, that's kind of sad.
Really sad. So sad. Yay.
Wow, I was fucked.
Okay.
I go in.
Go, go, go.
And I'm
Hassan,
getting
where were
Salas.
you? I thought you were here.
I was low as fuck. He ignited me as well.
You ran away from me, you dipshit. I tried helping you and I almost died for it.
This is Kha'Zix is right here.
So you could
Hassan,
even...
what the fuck did you say? Buka, buka. What the fuck am I supposed to say?
Ooh.
I got ignited by both of their dumbasses.
Like, Muhammad, like... come here, you need some fuck...
Fuck that, I'm not doing that.
Hamid, you think you can escape me? Fuck.
W.
Did everyone just miss his abilities?
La 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 la.
Is everyone
Wallah, wallah, that will not be repeated.
Ash is one shot. Oh. Top.
The Klein...
Pike. Oh, I swear to God, I'm not a tank. Pike.
Hater. Be
What is this shit doing? Oh my God, she's abusing. Oh, don't mind me. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you all.
calm? No, that's common.
Oh my god.
Like, fuck you. Like, can you get Oracle? You brain dead. Fuck with.
God damn it.
Fucking get fucking Oracle, man. Look at this. Look at this shit, and he's still first word.
Son, suck my dick.
I will pull.
That was. I have to type it for them. That was
that clip
hot.
now, buddy.
Oh my god, I lived. I lived.